The housing market around downtown Alpharetta has been booming since the city center was revitalized in 2014. We've seen a wave of new construction, but we're also seeing classic mid-century homes get modern updates. Today we're going to tour one of the renovated originals in the Coldridge Forest neighborhood. Most of the homes here were built between 1960 and 1980, long before downtown Alpharetta was the hot spot that it is today. This is 110 Jayne Court. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,688 square feet on just under half an acre, listed for $839,900 by Andrew Doyley with Keller Williams. Built in 1965, it maintains its charming mid-century character. Look at the big bay window in the dining area, but it's been completely renovated and modernized for today's lifestyle. They've taken down walls to create a big, bright, open concept living space. They've added features like a trendy linear fireplace. They've done a nice job of eliminating the 1960s features modern buyers don't want, like small modular rooms, dated carpet, and popcorn ceilings. Adding things they do want, like the beverage cooler, this huge waterfall quartz island, stainless steel appliances, beautiful ceramic backsplash. The kitchen and really the entire space looks really fresh and contemporary. When you remove interior walls in these older homes, you flood the space with natural light and create beautiful uninterrupted sight lines. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the renovations. Please share them in the comments. The powder room is also lovely with a really cool farmhouse sink vanity. Haven't seen one quite like that. The 2-car garage has a new polyaspartic floor coating and plenty of room for your cars, tools, and bikes. Another advantage of the open floor plan, it allows parents working in the kitchen to keep an eye on the little ones. My sister and I got away with God knows what in the 70s and 80s while Mom was isolated in the kitchen. It looks like they've added a brand new covered back deck. And this backyard is really nice. It's flat, it has a privacy fence, also a lot of privacy from the mature trees surrounding the perimeter. Most of the homes in this neighborhood have been completely renovated. It's nice to have an original neighborhood of downtown Alpharetta where the homes have been preserved instead of being torn down to make room for new construction. This is a classic ranch layout. All 3 of the bedrooms and both the full baths are down this hallway. They've done a nice job with the staging. Makes you want to keep this bedroom as a home office if you can. May not be an option for families, and families are drawn here for a lot of reasons, including the school system. This home is zoned for Alpharetta High School, which gets a fantastic 9 out of 10 overall rating by Great Schools. I love this fluted wood accent at the end of the hallway. Both of the secondary bedrooms are pretty roomy. Each of them has a nice small walk-in closet. Instead of a Jack and Jill, these 2 share a hallway bathroom, which probably works better if one of these 2 secondaries is used as a guest room. It's been really nicely updated. I know a lot of purists love when the original bathroom fixtures are preserved, but it's not always possible or even desirable. This is the primary. It looks comfortable. It has an ensuite bathroom. Hey there. It has a great looking granite-topped dual vanity, an all-new shower tub combo with an oversized rainfall head, surrounded by sleek tile, giving it a marble look. I think all the renovations are aesthetically on point. They've created a clean, cohesive, contemporary look throughout the home. And of course, the main value proposition is the location. This is a no HOA neighborhood, just a couple of minutes from downtown Alpharetta, with all of its amazing festivals, restaurants, and shopping opportunities. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this lovely home in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I really hope you enjoyed the tour.